Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video, I will show you how to download GOG Galaxy for Windows. Open a web browser of your choice. Enter the web address into the URL bar. A web link will be in the video description below. Press enter on your keyboard. Click the blue Download GOG Galaxy button to start the download. Double-click to start to install. Click Yes when the User Account Control window appears. Click OK. Click Next. Click the radio button to accept the agreement. Click Next. Click Next. Make sure the radio button is ticked for a desktop shortcut. Click Next. And click Finish. GOG Galaxy will now launch. The login window should be the first thing to appear. If you do not already have an account, click the Sign Up Now text. Now you will need to create a username, enter an email, and make a password. Tick the User Agreement radio button and click the green Sign Up Now button. Something to note, you can also create an account with your Facebook profile. Once you're ready, click the green Login Now button. That's it, you can now use GOG Galaxy. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.